For question number 5, I want to try to take out a GCF first, and there isn't one. And because there's a number in front of the x squared, I can't use the fast factoring. So I do want to use the AC method. So AC would be negative 30, and B would be negative 13. So my two numbers would actually be negative 15 and 2. Those multiply to be negative 30, but add to be negative 13. So that's going to tell me how to break up my middle term. And I'm going to bring down the first and last. Okay, so I want to factor by grouping. So I can take out a 5x, leaving me with a 2x minus 3. And then I see that I already have a 2x minus 3 here. So I just need to put a plus 1 to make it work out. So then if I complete the factor by grouping, I get 2x minus 3 and 5x plus 1. With question number 6, I want to try to take out a GCF, and I can take out a 2 and also an x. So I'm going to take out a 2x, and that leaves me with 12x squared minus 11x minus 5. And I do still have a coefficient of 12 in front of that x squared, so I can't use the fast factoring. So instead I need to just use the AC method. So this 2x, it's not going to be involved in the AC method. I'm just looking at the inside of that trinomial, but I can't forget to put the 2x as part of my final answer. So AC would be 12 times negative 5, and that would give me negative 60. B would be negative 11, so I need two numbers that multiply to be negative 60, but add to be negative 11. So negative 15 and 4, this would work. So that's what I'm splitting this up into. So negative 15x plus 4x, and then copy down my first and my last. So then I want to take out a 3x, leaving me with 4x minus 5. And then again, I see that I already have the 4x minus 5 here, so I just need to put a plus 1 and then copy the 4x minus 5, so that when I factor that, it will work out. And we're almost done. I just can't forget the 2x. And that would be my final answer.